In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily send a Google Form link via WhatsApp on your mobile device. Sending Google Form links through WhatsApp can streamline communication and gather responses efficiently. Follow the steps below to get started. Firstly, ensure that you have created the Google Form you want to share. If you haven't already, you can create one by visiting Google Forms on your web browser. Sign in with your Google account and create a new form or select an existing one. Once your Google Form is ready, click on the Send button located at the top right corner of the page. A dialog box will appear with options to share the form. Click on the link icon to copy the form link to your clipboard. Now, navigate to your mobile device's home screen and open the WhatsApp application. Choose the individual contact or group chat to which you want to send the Google Form link. Within the chat window, tap on the text input field to bring up the keyboard. Long press in the text field to reveal the paste option, then tap on it to paste the Google Form link that you copied earlier. After pasting the link, review the message to ensure it contains the correct Google Form link. Once you're satisfied, tap on the Send button, usually represented by a paper plane icon, to send the message containing the form link. Congratulations! You have successfully sent a Google Form link via WhatsApp on your mobile device. This method allows you to quickly share forms with individuals or groups, making it convenient for collecting responses and feedback. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during this process, feel free to ask for assistance in the comments below. Additionally, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.